Welcome to our video today. Have you ever wished that creating high-quality videos could be as easy as pressing a button? Well, prepare to be amazed because today we're diving into AiSpokeStudio, an innovative video creation platform that's changing the game with its groundbreaking AI technology. Imagine being able to produce lifelike human avatar videos in multiple languages without the usual hassle of videography. With AiSpokeStudio, that dream becomes a reality. This platform harnesses advanced artificial intelligence to generate stunning videos that can be tailored to meet your specific needs, whether you're creating content for marketing, education, or entertainment. The magic of AiSpokeStudio lies in its ability to create highly realistic avatars that can convey emotions and engage audiences just like a real person. You simply select your script, choose an avatar that fits your brand or message, and let the AI do the rest. With this tool, you can easily create videos that resonate with viewers from different backgrounds, all thanks to its multi-language capabilities. The user-friendly interface ensures that even those with limited tech skills can jump right in and start producing professional-looking content. Plus, who wouldn't want to save time and reduce costs on video production? AiSpokeStudio takes away the hassle of scheduling shoots, hiring actors, and all those complicated edits. It's truly a powerhouse for content creators. As we continue to explore ways to engage and communicate, platforms like AiSpokeStudio are at the forefront, making video creation accessible to everyone. So, if you're ready to elevate your content game and captivate your audience in multiple languages, be sure to check out AiSpokeStudio. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this information helpful or exciting, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into innovative tools that can transform your creative process. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.